Hi everyone, Toy Collector TV here, and today I have another surprise word for you. Make sure you watch to the end so that you can see what's inside Anna's surprise egg. S. N. O. W. D. A. Y. Snow day. S N O W D A Y. Snow day. Now let's see what's in Anna's surprise egg. Oh wow, there's a lot in here. We have a snow outfit for Anna. And a scarf. What else is in here? Oh, we've got some snow boots and some goggles and some hot cocoa. Now Anna's all dressed up and ready to enjoy her snow day. She could go sledding, snowboarding, or skiing. And then afterwards, she can enjoy this yummy hot cocoa with whipped cream. If you enjoyed today's surprise word, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos and surprise words. Thanks for watching.